What's up, y'all? These are penny cicadas, and they're mating, y'all. Look, the male is below, mating with the female. Let me show y'all a little bit more better lighting. This is flash lighting, y'all. You can see the male. The female is the big black one up top. The male is the small, beautiful color with the cross on it. It's pretty cool, y'all. Y'all know what I'm saying, y'all. They mating, they chilling. Let me kind of separate them for a bit. Let me show you the difference between the male and female cicada or penny cicada. Just a penny cicada, not any cicada. By the way, I know these are zippers, but they look like cicadas, so I'm calling them that. And if they were cicadas, they would be a great couple, so deal with it. Anyways, you remember this video, because anytime I feature these in my videos, just know what I said in this one. Anyway, so the male is the one. Let me show you guys the male first. The male right here. Y'all see these little ridges right here? Right here, these ridges on the end. Well, that's what the male uses to sing. He rubs his wings against the ridges, and that causes a sound that sounds a little something like this. Wait, let me put them on a better surface. Okay, it sounds a little like this, y'all. So yeah, and the females, they don't have the ridges. So yeah, that's the difference between a male penny cicada and a female penny cicada.